Good morning, children. So today we are back in our next class, and today we are going to start the next poem, that is After the Storm. You have heard this muhavra, or what is this called? Idioms and phrases, I think. No, anyways, have you heard this thing? हर काली रात के बाद एक नया सवेरा आता है. You have heard? So the similar kind of thing we are going to see here. By the very first line, okay, let me tell you in short what happens in this poem is that in the previous night, the poem starts here that telling that the previous night it was raining heavily, okay, lots of thunder, lightning, everything, and the next morning what happens, or how the morning appears to be, how the day appears to be. Okay, the morning has already spent with lots of thundering, okay, lots of darkness and everything. There was lot of destruction also might have happened due to all those things. But the next morning, what comes out is a new morning, bringing lots of hope and lots of beauty. We'll understand while we start it. There was a roaring in the wind all night. That means the poet starts here. The poem is started here. The poet starts it saying that the previous night had lots of roaring in the wind. Roaring means obviously thundering. There was a roaring in the wind all night. The rain came heavily and fell in floods. Flood, that means we know flood can destroy many things, and especially the poor people are affected by this. So floods can destroy anybody. It does not have to be poor or rich or whatever, but it destroys the condition of the people. The rain came heavily and fell in floods. These two lines are understood. But now the sun is rising calm and bright. The last night was terrific. As said in the poem, the last night there was thundering, there was lightning, it was all flooded everywhere. But now the morning is rising, the morning has started, the new day has started. Okay, and it brings brightness. And not only brightness, but the morning is calm. It feels relief after the night has passed with lots of what do we call this? Lots of problem, we can say. But now the morning has started and it is very calm. We feel peaceful. If we go and look out, the morning is very peaceful right now, and it is bright. See, in this poem you need to be imaginative. Okay, you just imagine how the rains might have been in the last night, and now today's morning is so bright. The birds are singing in the distant wood, and everywhere now throughout this poem you will see how the beauty of the morning. Okay, in various sense it can be said here. The birds are singing in the distant woods. That means the sound of the birds singing in the forest, it can be heard. That the sound is coming from quite a far away place, and that sound can be heard. That means the birds are singing in some distant forest which is far away from us. Over his own sweet voice the stork dove broods, and also the dove's voice. Okay, what happens is the stork dove bird, it sits on its egg to hatch them, and it is singing. Over his own sweet voice the stork dove broods. The jay makes answer as the magpie chatters. That means the next morning, when the sun is very bright, the day is very bright and calm, various sounds can be heard. Okay, the beautiful sound can be heard that is coming from the distant wood. Some birds are singing. Okay, some birds are chirping. Then the stork dove's sweet voice can be heard as she sits for hatching her eggs. Then the jay makes answer as the McPhee chatters. That means the two birds, the jay and McPhee, they are chattering. They are as if the birds are talking among themselves. And all the air is filled with pleasant noise of waters. Why? Because the last night it was the area or the environment was covered with flood water. And everywhere now we can hear the sound of water splashing. Okay. All things that love the sun are out of doors. Whatever is loved by the sun or whoever loves the sun are now out of doors. And that can be seen, we'll see this in the next line. That means it can also be said that the sun is in today's morning, as it is shining bright and calm, the sunlight is falling on everything and showing its beauty. Okay, or the sun is blessing everything now that is blooming, seems to be blooming. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The sky appears to be such that it's so bright. That means it is happy by the new morning. Okay, the sky is appearing to be very beautiful, that it seems to brightened up by the new morning. The grass is bright with raindrop. Everywhere you see greenery, everywhere you see brightness. Okay, the grass is bright with raindrops, and when you see the grasses, the leaves, okay, the forest area, wherever or just nearby, anywhere, the green things, okay, the leaves, the grasses, everywhere it appears to be very full of life. Okay, the grass is bright with raindrops on the moors. Moors means the open field. Okay, and in the open field where you can see the grasses are full of life, they are everywhere you can see there is greenery. So the grass is bright with raindrops on the moors in the open field, and the hare is running races in her mud. And the hare, the rabbit, is so happy this morning with the new morning that in its enjoyment it starts running races with the water. And with her feet she from the plashy earth, and it races with its feet, right? So with its feet what she does is, she from the plashy earth races a mist. From the plashy earth, why it is said? Because of the last night's flood water. Now the earth is now filled up with lots of water, and it is a little bit slippery. Okay, with some water also and some mud mixed up, so it becomes plashy, it becomes slippery little bit, with pools or puddles of water. And with her feet she from the plashy earth raises a mist that glittering in the sun. Now raises a mist means when it runs from one place to another place. Okay, with its feet, when it happens that it passes from this to this place, so the back side of its wherever it puts its feet, okay, it creates a mist, it creates lot of water. The waters are what is that called, they are splashed here and there. Okay, raises a mist that glittering in the sun, and as the sun's light is falling on it, so it is glittering, it is shining. Or you can also say that the sunshine falls on the water and it makes the glitter come out. Runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. And it is also said that wherever the hare runs, okay, it runs its races, there everywhere it starts creating a mist, and it keeps on going everywhere. It creates a mist everywhere, from here to here to here. Wherever he starts moving, everywhere it creates that splash of water, because the water gets splashed, no, it gets, first of all it is still, then as the rabbit puts its feet, it splashes. Okay, runs with her all the way, and wherever the rabbit or the hare races, in that particular places, it it creates that mist. It runs everywhere, the water runs everywhere with the hare. Wherever she doth run, wherever she runs, it creates the mist. So here we end our poem. See, basically in this poem what we have talked about is, let me sum it up once more for you. The night was filled with thunder, lightning. There was lot of heavy rain, and it made all the area flooded. Okay, then next thing what happens, in the next morning, the morning appears, or the day appears to be quite bright and calm, and the beauty of everything can be seen. Just like the birds are enjoying, the birds are chattering, then the air is also filled with lots of noise of water, then many things which are outside, okay, under the sun or in nature. We can say overall our nature is rejoicing, it is again regaining its strength, it is coming into life. Everything around looks so beautiful. The grass is bright with raindrops. Wherever we see, there is greenery. Then we can see the creatures also. The creatures, these animals, they are also running races. They are also enjoying. Everywhere, if you see, there is enjoyment. There is again back to life. Okay, there is happiness. It means the thing which I said no in the very beginning. हर काली रात के बाद एक नई सुबह आती है, like that kind of thing. The last night, while it gave you lots of troubles, but the next morning it came up with glowing or brightening day. Actually, this also can be applied to our life. Though we are facing lots of problems, just for example, we can refer to this kind of situation which we are facing right now. Due to this, we are all locked under our homes. This is a kind of thunderous night, we can say, that we are passing right now. But after this night is past, a new morning, a new bright day is going to come, and everywhere when we will see happiness around. We will see every life is filled with excitement. We'll see every life is filled with happiness. They are living their life back again. So this will happen. Let's keep hope. This is the thing which actually this gives a very good moral here, that whatever troubles we face, after every trouble there is some reward going to come. Okay, so yeah, we have discussed our poem. Hope you have understood, you have liked it. And okay, yes, regarding your word meanings, you read from here: brutes, mirth, plashy, and doth. Only 4. Okay, brutes, mirth, plashy, and doth. Okay, and regarding this poem, if you have any doubt to clarify, then you can ask me. I'll clear it. Okay, and yeah, till then, stay safe and thank you.